Hey folks, Ed Jr. here, back with another video, Gas Alley Garage. Today I'm going to be working on my dad's truck, 1988 Chevy Silverado. This is him sitting here. What's that?
I'm the young.
Alright, we got 88 Silverado. It's got a lot of rust on it. I got we got rear panels for the bed. Going to have to redo cab corners. I don't know about I might be able to fix that. I don't know yet. We'll see.
Well, it's an 88 Chevy. I bought it about 13, 14 years ago. 1,500 cash for it. The guy that I bought it off of said that it had a rebuilt engine in it, but apparently I think he told a fib on that because it started smoking and it smoked for years, and it used to burn gas like it was going out of style. He didn't pass no gas stations. Now I've got a 4.2 6-cylinder engine in there, rebuilt, brand new rebuilt, everything brand new in the engine. Other than that, it's still a good truck. I mean, it's part of me. This truck goes to Bub there after I'm gone.
Yeah, everybody knows me as Ed Jr. on here.
Yeah, Ed Jr. So, that's about all I can think of. I gotta buy some tires for it, shocks that I got that. That's about it, I guess.
So what's your plans for it?
Well, it goes to you after I'm.
Well, I mean, right now, what's your plans for it?
Well, I'm fixing it up so I can drive it. So I can keep driving it, you know. And I got a van that goes to his brother. And tools and stuff, they divide them up or something.
Cloud covered the sun up there for a minute.
I run a business for 49.5 years, EPS Home Improvement for 49.5 years.
Right.
I shut it down about 10 years ago. But my other son, he still works a little bit at it.
Alright. Alright, well, we ordered some patch panels here for this bed. I'm going to get these put on this side. I got that one clamped on there right now. Got a panel marked out. This side's pretty much the same way. It's you know, your typical Chevy truck. They rust out in, you know, the same places. Cab corners, rockers. Got this on a tripod and I got it. Anyway, sorry about the sideways there. This cab corner here, it's a little toasty. That's some cancer in it, man. But, and you know, whoever painted the truck, you can see all the paint's coming off. The truck used to be silver, I guess, silver or blue one. He calls it Old Blackie, so I guess that's going to be the name for this project, Old Blackie. I was going to call it Old Rusty, but all right, let's get at it. All right, I got this traced out here and clamped on. I'm going to go ahead and clean all this up right here, make sure I'm getting in the good metal. Excuse me. Wire wheels, man. Look at that. Junk. Got needles stuck all in me.
Whoa.
Okay guys, I got this panel cut out. Got the other one cut. I've got some gaps here I don't like. But it's not nothing to worry about. It can easily be fixed. I cut both the panels at the same time and I used my big cut off wheel and it just didn't cut out good at all. But it can be fixed, so right now I'm gonna try to get the panel in place the best I can and then doing some spot welds on it. I'm gonna go get some of these welds, grind down some. It's taking a lot of wire to fill in these gaps, which I knew it was going to, you know. Waiting on my compressor to build up some air. This air compressor I got is kind of chunky, so I don't know if it's going